people. I believe you're doing great, and I welcome and appreciate your presence in Cuckoo's Study Lab. In today's sitting, our topic under consideration is social media and democracy. Let's put it this way: what role social media plays when it comes to democratic progression? In this session, whilst providing a brief account of the inextricable linkage between the two, we will understand and discover the critical role being played by social media when it comes to democratic consolidation. Followed by the role of social media, we will move on to unfold as to how unregulated and irresponsible social media's usage is stonewalling democratic evolution as a culture then system. Finally, we will render certain policy measures to arrest the potential of this weapon of mass deception from disrupting democratic progression. इस टॉपिक को हमने certain sections और segments में divide करना है ताकि हमें समझने में आसानी हो, ताकि सोशल मीडिया के जितने भी ramifications हैं, इधर पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव, हमें उनके बारे में सही तरीके से समझ आए. अब जब ramifications और consequences और implications की समझ आएगी तो फिर we will well be in a position to navigate the topic when it comes to dealing such areas as social media and democracy, social media and good governance, social media and economy, social media and polity, social media and foreign policy and so forth. इस टॉपिक को हमने ऐसे लेके चलना है कि हमारे काफ़ी सारे एरियाज कवर हों, स्पेशली चूँकि डेमोक्रेसी हमारा मेन यहाँ पे फोकस होगा. तो इस सिटिंग में हम आज रोल देखेंगे, क्या रोल प्ले करता है सोशल मीडिया, और सोशल मीडिया जो प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं उनका क्या रोल है विज़-वी डेमोक्रेटिक इवोल्यूशन और फोर्टिफिकेशन.
So this is all for today, people. If you got any confusion related to this topic, please let me know about your issues through your comments. I will address them in my next lecture. Thank you very much.